Good morning students. Today in this video we will study about how participants saw the movement. We will discuss about conditions of farmer. So first we will discuss about rich peasants. Being producer of commercial crops, they were very hit hard by the trade depression and the falling of prices of their crops. Because the price of their crops were falling, that's why they were under great trade depression. As their cash income disappeared, they found it impossible to pay the government's revenue demand because the cash in their hand was decreasing. That's why it was very difficult for them to pay the government's demand of revenue, and the refusal of the government to reduce the revenue demand led widespread resentment. And when the government refused to reduce the revenue after this decision of government, rich peasants were very angry and very unhappy with this decision of the government. Rich peasants became enthusiastic supporter of the civil disobedience movement. That's why when Gandhiji started civil disobedience movement, these rich people very enthusiastically joined this movement. They organized their communities and they even forced some members to join this movement and boycott the British goods. But they were deeply disappointed when the movement called off in 1931 without the revenue rate being revised. But these rich peasants were very unhappy or deeply disappointed when Gandhiji called off this movement in 1931 because the revenue rates were same and there was no reduction in the revenue. That's why these rich peasants were very unhappy when Gandhiji called off this movement. Now we will study about the poor farmers' condition. Poor farmers, they too have similar problems as rich peasants. Their condition were almost similar to the their problems were almost similar to the rich peasants. Depression made it impossible to pay rent to the landlords because these poor farmers were working on the land of the landlords. So it was very difficult for these poor farmers to pay the rent to the landlord because they used to they had to pay the rent to these landlords. So it was becoming very difficult for these poor farmers to pay this rent to the landlord. In other hand, Congress was also not in support of the poor farmers because Congress was fearing that it might upset the rich peasants. So that's why Congress was also not in support of these poor peasants. So this was the story and conditions of the farmers. Further chapter we will do in next class. Thank you students.